Sorry about that, my phone decided to pause on me for no reason. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Excuse the port wiring, but it does work. I got 8 wires here. This one goes to data 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and of course ground. So yeah, indeed it does work. I'm going to put some electrical tape around here. And like as I was saying before before my phone decided to play tricks on me, was there is an alternative version of this, so you don't have to like convert from binary to hex. So binary for our computers is 1 and 0. It's been like that for a long time. Now they do make the hex version of this, which of course tells you like if everything is operational. FFH means that it's fully functional, or there's a message on the display, such as bad RTC, check settings, press F1 to continue, enter setup, F1 to continue. That was the old days. Well, present days now. Or you have to push F1 to continue. But if you didn't have a keyboard installed, irony, then you wouldn't be able to press F1. Right now I'm just wrapping the electrical tape around this. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So you just insert into here. Now you can theoretically plug it into something else, like we have an external CD-ROM drive and have it turned on. You can theoretically hook this up to it, but I wouldn't recommend it. I just recommend plugging it directly into the laptop. Now, let's go ahead and power on the system again. Make sure that I see all the lights there. See if it turns on without, making sure I didn't short it. It means the board initialization, so it's 18H, and then now it's asking me to go back to the settings again. Yep. I gotta go put a battery in this thing. The standard battery, the rechargeable one, works. Still turns on with the battery put in. You'll be seeing the 3 lights again in a few seconds here. Yep. Let's see. Let me figure out which one. Boy. Okay, so now there's 8. All 8. Like I said, flashing lights. So if you do have epilepsy or seizures, please feel free to not watch this video anymore. Because I do not want a lawsuit piled up against me. And I'll watch what happens when I turn off the system. Lights turn off. Okay, so it means, so FFH means that the laptop is fully functional. Now, if it's something like 18H, it means that the board's completely dead and you need to, quote unquote, replace it. Or in my case, since I am a somewhat novice of doing repairs like this, like repairing logic ports, and of course, building something like that, I can easily repair the laptop in case if the laptop explodes. At least I can just put some wiring through. All set. Anyway, there you have it, folks. That is the laptop motherboard tester. A laptop tester, excuse me. I need to get some of that crap off of there, but let me go ahead and take a picture of this real quick. A couple of pictures just to be on the safe side. Yeah, I know it's a long round wire. Just in case I want to make the cable a little bit longer, I should have made the wires just a teensy bit a bit longer. But it is what it is, but it works. Say you can't teach an old person new tricks. And I'm 20 freaking years old. Anyway, that's all, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, and thanks for. And feel free to leave a comment.